Today I'll be showing you how to make a chai tea latte. For this instance, I'm going to choose the chocolate chai. You'll want to grab about a tablespoon of your tea. Then you'll want to fill up your mug with water. You'll put your water into the microwave for about 3 minutes just to get it to boiling. When that's done, you'll take your nice and hot water over to your tea. You'll let the tea seep for about 3 more minutes. While that's going, you'll want to grab some half and half and put it into a frothing device. This just heats up the half and half and stirs it really quickly to make it nice and frothy. Then you'll wait for another 3 minutes and play with your dog.
I will remember you.
When the 3 minutes is up, you'll take the tea out of the water. Let all the water drain from your tea. Bring it over to the sink so you don't accidentally spill anything. Then you'll grab your Kutztown approved travel mug and pour your tea into your mug. Then you'll take your froth half and half, pour it into your tea. You can put in as much or as little sugar as you need, then stir vigorously. And then you have your tea.